The chemical formula of a compound tells you how many atoms of each element is present in the case of covalent molecular compounds. It is slightly different for covalent networks because the networks are so large and they contain so many atoms, so the chemical formula instead just shows the simplest ratio of the atoms. Valency swap is the method used for working out the chemical formula of compounds that contain metals and nonmetals. So step 1, you'll write down the symbols for both elements. Then you'll put down the valency of each under the symbol. Then you'll swap the valencies, this is important. At this stage you will then simplify these numbers if it's possible, and that's why this method is also called swap and drop sometimes. Then you'll write the new valencies in subscript after the symbols to get the formula. It is the exact same process with transition metals, as you use Roman numeral value as the valency for the transition metal. So there's our symbols, our valencies, and 2 is the valency for copper here. Swap them around and simplify them because they're both the same, and then we get our formula. Sometimes the valency swap rule doesn't apply, and this is when the compound name contains prefixes. Prefixes are put at the beginning of the element's name, and they tell you how many atoms of the element are present in the compound. Here's our list of prefixes for each number of atoms, and this is very good to learn. So here's an example. The name tells you that there are 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms in the compound, and that just gives you the formula straight away.